imagine, just imagine. Just imagine, kids, let's go!
Just imagine, kids, today we're gonna be making a catapult. Now stick around because we're also gonna be feeding the monster. Here are the pieces to make our catapult. We have 4 wheels, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 3 bars, 1, 2, 3. 1 elastic. We have 6 rubber tubes to help us connect to the bars. And we have all these wooden pieces. So let's get started. So to assemble the first part of the catapult, we stuck 4 pieces into the sideboard. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we can make the catapult arm. To make the catapult arm, we're gonna need these 2. Just like this, we're gonna stick it right here. And now we're gonna put the catapult arm into the catapult body. So now we have this. And finally we can add the last piece at the top, right here. And finally we're gonna add the wheels. And then after that I need to add these right here like this. Now I can add the first wheel. 1. And then we add the bar. Why do we add the bar? So we add the bar so it acts as a resistance like this. And then we add these rubbers right here on the top. So we add these rubbers like this. Why? So it doesn't slide from side to side. If it didn't have rubbers, look, if it didn't have rubbers, this would happen. It would almost be like a barrier or resistance. There we go. So now when you slide, it can't slide because it blocks off right here. We tie the elastic to the bottom here. First we're going to use the redstone. Let's see if we can get it in the mouth of the monster. Now we're going to be using the blue stone. And finally, we're going to be using the orange stone. Yay! Great job, kids! Today, we made a catapult. In the next lesson, we're going to be making even more amazing projects. We're going to be making an army tank and an airplane. I'm so excited. See you next time. Bye.